Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. I just made this video yesterday and somebody questioned how he made those and they're all kind of the same and everything. Really easy. Let's take an ellipse, make it 1 inch. Let's color it in with a light blue and let's take away the outline. I've got my nudge factor set on 1.25, or it will now. Take this with the interactive fill tool and go from the bottom downwardly and have that white. And I want to make this one a little bit whiter than he did. Now Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it over. And then just make it as big or as little as you want. Then grab each of these and just add a new color into that spot. You can actually grab it with the interactive fill tool. I'm not worrying about his colors, what he used. I'm just going to pick some colors. Whoop, I did the wrong thing. Interactive fill tool spot and pick your item. Let's go with a pink. And I am going to change it up a little bit than what he did. Let's go with a light green. We could actually leave one of these blue, but let's get to a purple. Really, your lighter colors might work better in this case because I am going to put on a white background. I've got 2 yellows, but that's a little bit different. So I'm going to make it a little bit gold. I've already got, let's see, I've used red. I haven't used this purple. I'm just dragging colors and almost through. I'm not going to pay too much attention. And let's make this one this color. And really the ones on the end aren't going to matter as much because we're not going to use them. But then I'm going to Control G and group them together. And then I'm going to Control D and I'm going to move them down. Now, what I'm going to try a little bit differently, I'm going to mirror these two guys. So the middle one's going to be the same. So we could do a lot with this, but I'm not going to worry about it. Then I'm going to Control D again and nudge them twice, and then Control D, Control D. And what that did, that kind of kept my pattern. I'm going to do one more, even though it doesn't matter. I'm going to select them all by Control G. I'm going to hit P, put them in the center of the page. I'm going to take an ellipse, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. That's why I said it doesn't really matter what side your outside colors are. I'm holding down the Shift key. I'm going to go ahead and try to get some of those outside colors. And then with the circle selected is a pretty important part. Go to Effects and Lens and Fisheye. And then you've got to freeze it. And then I'm going to knock that out of the way. And I'll go ahead and finish this video. And I never delete stuff. Move it out of the way. And then I'm going to right-click No Outline. But I've still, like in the previous video, I'm going to make this black, go to Object, Order, Back of Page. I've still got the white. This one, I didn't pick as good as colors as he did, evidently, but it still might look pretty cool. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to go up to Object and Group and Ungroup. And for some reason, there is a ghost figure there. That might just be the outline, and then hit this. He picked some better colors than I did, and I almost think not rotating them like I did is maybe better. This is totally different, but that's how he did it. I'm certain of that's how he did it. I even got the size right. Anyway, well, he told me what size circle he made and how far he spaced them about a 1/4 inch apart. Anyway, I hope that helped that person, and thank you for watching.